I like freedom without a destination or direction. I go my own way, following my heart to run freely. The unknown future may be full of difficulty or hard to get through, but I never fear. Along the way, everything becomes so pale. Perhaps only an unforgettable transcendence can add a striking stroke to freedom. I don't like sticking to convention or staying the same. They say that I challenge my opponents, and I'm unreasonable. But I never expect to be agreed by all, because innovation means overturn. It is a change to break with the convention. Once it was deemed bizarre and even satirized to be wildly fantastic. Yes, sometimes changes may be misunderstood, but such surprising changes have changed the world in the end.